This Hobbiton is not in New Zealand. It's 3 hours away from Mumbai in a wellness sanctuary. I didn't come here for a quick fix. I came because I felt a little scattered, a little too fast, and I knew I needed to slow down. Just 2 hours away from Pune, nestled deep in Peacock Valley, I found Swastik. And I didn't know how much I needed this space until I arrived. The moment you step in, something changes. It's not loud, it doesn't announce itself, but your nervous system feels it. It's quieter here, more grounded, like the land itself is holding you. Swastik is built on the 5 elements: earth, air, fire, water, and space, and 5 life dimensions: health, wealth, love, bliss, and spirit. But this is not just something they say, it's something you feel in the way you breathe here, in the way your shoulders finally drop, in the way you remember what slow feels like. They don't call these buildings halls or blocks, they're called vihars, spaces designed to hold energy. Anand Vihar is where it all begins. Representing fire, this is where I had my first consultation, experienced sound therapy, dipped into Vatsu and hydrotherapy pools. Then there's Dhyan Vihar, a circular meditation hall with no columns, nothing to interrupt your stillness, soft light, gentle air, a dome of silence you don't want to leave. Ayu Vihar, shaped like a peacock feather, holds the healing, Ayurvedic treatments, salt cave breathing, hot and cold plunge pools, oil massages. Sukh Vihar was where I stayed, minimalist, earth tone, sustainable, designed with nature in mind. No screens, no noise, just a bed, a view, and birdsong for company. And honestly, that's all I needed. Then there's Utsav Vihar and Ganga Vihar for creativity and movement, dance, yoga, art, community, a reflexology path, an open air amphitheater, spaces that remind your body how to move without pressure. Every single meal I ate here was plant-based, sattvic, and intentional. No fads, no labels, just real food that felt alive. Rooted in Ayurveda, prepared with care. I even had the chance to speak to the chef, who shared how they harvest most ingredients from their own land. And you feel it in every bite. This is nourishment, not just eating.
At Swastik, basically, we are different. Already we have in the market is claiming for the how people are different. So at Swastik, there is 2 things which are very, very particular about the source and the process. So we are not depending on the market. There is not a single reason when we say, okay, if you are sourcing fruits and vegetables, so as much as we can go for the organic. So we don't even call our vendors as vendors, they're farmers, these are doing.
You source directly from farmers?
Yes, we are using from farmers. That's why our even menu is designed that way. It should be seasonal, local.
Our whole cuisine philosophy comes with the therapeutic diet, where doctor will prescribe. You know about your body better. You will discuss with the doctors, and the consultation process you come through, you'll know better. Okay, this is good for me. This is bad for me. There is no golden rule which suits for everyone.
Yeah.
If yes, your gut is not allowing for the raw, it's okay. It's not allowing for the raw. Then we have an option for a cooked food. So that way, we just make the menus and the dieters. So basically, a pasta.
Okay.
And any shapes you want to make.
So what's the pasta made of if there's no maida?
Whole wheat flour.
Whole wheat flour.
Whole wheat
Okay.
flour. Whole wheat flour, and even we have a range of the grain free flours.
Hmm.
When we're getting cassava or banana, almond,
Hmm.
these flours, and even we have the millets, the full family of millets. So we have a jowar, bajra.
Hmm.
So these things are also there. Like sorghum have qualities,
Yeah.
and even the people those who are want to save water also, that is very good because these crops comes
Require
under
less water.
less water,
Yeah.
and even harvesting time is very less,
Hmm.
and nutrition is very high. But yes, after when the rice and wheat makes life easy, so sometimes we go with that. But even we have those things.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Red.
ma'am.
Thank you. This was so good. Each day brought something new, sound healing that vibrated through my cells, salt cave breathing that cleared more than just my lungs, oil massages that melted timelines off my skin, stone paths, still water, a nervous system, finally exhaling. The beauty of Swastik is not just in how it feels, it's in how it functions. Solar panels power the property, food waste is composted, rainwater is harvested, plastic is nowhere in sight. So, what happens to energy consumption, like our energy use during monsoon season?
You say in the normal peak now you can have a 1200 kilowatts load, 1200 units per day, and when you say in the rainy season it will be maybe 75% of that, and in the fully clouded time it will give you a 50% of load. But definitely solar is generating something.
Okay, but that's still enough for us to run that,
Yes, definitely.
run the operation.
Yes.
So this is a rainwater harvesting time where we get a rainwater harvesting and it's being fed to the ground. Where on the same system what I told you, the filtration system, different type of labels are there. So when it comes here, it is completely potable water. Then it is recirculated so that to avoid the bacterial growth, it is recirculated. There is one there, which they oxygen and it goes by the gravity. This all comes through gravity, there is no power supply immediately. But for the treating or keeping this water clean, they have to recirculate.
So, all the food waste is
Yes, all the
composted.
Oh wow!
this is the ये जो है all food and vegetable and everything.
Sustainability is not a campaign here, it's the infrastructure, the default, the ethic. Because wellness that harms the earth isn't really wellness, is it?
Plants are being grown in house. So the water system, what we use is our treated water from the STP. So it is ultra filtered and used for the garden. So the ozone, everything is eliminated in that. This is the waste compost what we use here.
From the food waste.
Yes, food waste.
Gold. Absolute gold.
It's known as yellow gold.
Oh, it is. It is gold.
Gold.
It's black gold.
Black gold.
Every part of this space is designed to bring you back to yourself, but not through effort, through gentleness, through silence, through rhythm. There's something about being here in the quiet, in nature, in your own body again that makes you remember you were never really lost, you were just too rushed to notice. If you've been feeling stretched thin, disconnected, or just off, and you're craving something deeper, not a hotel, not a spa day, but an actual shift, a transformation, this might be where you begin again.